Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure you're subscribed before you leave. Today's video is the Boxycharm unboxing and demo for October. I was thinking September, but it's definitely October. I am super excited. I love Boxycharm. And yeah, I will leave a link down below so you can subscribe to join the fun. And I am hoping to see some more sneak peeks on the waitlist and how I can possibly get the December Luxy box because your girl really wants to get on that. All right, here we go. Ta-da! We got our pamphlet and we got some of like that fun foam. And oh, this is a product. I like what I see so far. Let's refer to this. I love Briogeo. Definitely one of my holy grail brands for my hair. I have a lot of hair. It is like a lion's mane. It's long, it's brittle, coarse, thick, wavy, frizzy, the whole shebang. I am still trying to decide what exactly I want to do with my hair, which is why I haven't cut it yet. I haven't decided like what color I want to do, if I want to do like a colorful balayage like I had. Anyway, so we got the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. This stuff is so good. This looks like a travel size and it retails for $16. I'm used to seeing more Briogeo products a little bit bigger and their products are a little pricier. That's only why I'm guessing that this is a travel size, or perhaps, you know, this product just comes in 2 ounces. I'm not sure. I like to spray it in my hair after I get out of the shower. I take my showers at night, and then that way in the morning my hair is really silky smooth despite all like the chemical damage I have and my dead ends. It really helps. And this is the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I have not heard of this brand, but I love peel off masks, so I'm really excited, and this retails for $30. So it's a detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask. Fall-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep congestion and exfoliation experience. Yes, and charcoal is really good if you really need a good detox on the face. Like when I start stressing out or my face starts just getting like in a frenzy, I resort to charcoal because I know it can help get things back aligned. I'm just really intrigued because it's like a lace mask and you get 2 of them. So I'm really curious to see how this works. And that's why I do love subscriptions, because it introduces you to new brands and really intriguing new products. The last 3 products we have are makeup related and we are gonna do a demo. I think they're a really good variety of products in this month's box. I got hair, I got skincare, and now I got some makeup. So we're gonna dive in. So the first product, we have the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face and Eye Palette. I think this is a great theme for October. I will say recently we've gotten really hit heavy with eyeshadow palettes in Boxycharm, so I do like how this is both an eye palette and a face palette. So let's just, oh yeah. These are really great shades for the face. You know, you got some highlighting shades and you got some blushes and you can kind of bronze. So we'll see how that works. And then we have some like fun colors, yet you can still kind of get like a smoky eye. The first time I ever tried Pure Cosmetics was through Boxycharm, so it has been a brand that has definitely grown on me, and these look amazing. I'm a huge fan of their eyeshadows and their face products. Oh, also, this retails for $38. But before we jump in, we gotta do some swatches. Ooh, I like how these feel. Okay. That blue is stunning. Oh my gosh. Sorry for like the first shade kind of went eh. My bad, but it's still pretty. I didn't even realize that the names of the shadows were on it. And on the face palette, it's kind of like hard because it's reflecting in my room. But the silver is exposed, followed by a sneak peek, followed by showtime. And then we have Mask Off, Disguise, and 12 a.m. Ooh, all these shades are really pretty. Okay, I really can't go wrong doing a look with any of these shades. Like, they're all just so beautiful. I can't even. Let's try to come up with some kind of look right now. All right, so for the first shade, we're gonna take Sneaky Peeky and put it in the crease and all over the eyelid. Next, I'm gonna take 12 a.m. and just darken the outer corners. There is a little bit of fallout, but it's not too bad. I'm gonna take some Laura Geller Eye Care waterproof eyeliner and black just to put on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take some cat tattoo liner and put it on the eyelids. I think my eyeliner is dying. I'm gonna take some MAC Fix and a Luxie 141 mini rounder and brighten up the inner corners. We're gonna take the shade Exposed to brighten the inner corners. Oh, hello inner corner. So I didn't go into like the colorful shades. I kind of was struggling trying to figure out like a decent look without looking like a clown. Exposed, Sneak Peek, and 12 a.m. achieved kind of like a natural-ish smoky eye look, and I'm pleased how it turned out. My favorite shade was definitely Sneak Peek. It was a very effortless matte shade that went all over the lid and into the crease effortlessly with my brush. So I was really, really impressed with that formula. We are gonna swatch the face shades. We have Twilight, Hidden Secret, Enchantment, and lastly, Reveal. Ooh, look at those. Those are so pretty. I love the names and I love like how these pans are pressed. It is a very, very cute design and I think it fits well with the masquerade theme. We're just gonna add it over here. Wow. I'm definitely feeling a similar face palette that I've received from Pure Cosmetics in a Boxycharm previously, and that formula feels the same and the colors are still very pigmented. So let's test them out. We're gonna bronze a little bit. We're gonna take the shade Enchantment to bronze, and I'm taking my Morphe E35 brush. Oh yeah, she's pigmented and she might be more of a blush. Oops. We're rolling with it. It is very hard to bronze with baby hairs and no foundation on. But it's blending out beautifully. We're gonna take my, going to take my Real Technique blush brush and go in with Hidden Secret. I think I got a little carried away on the blush. I was fearing looking like a clown, and here we go. A little goes a long way. Here's my Halloween look. And then taking the Morphe Y11, we're gonna take Twilight and get the cheekbones popping. My face is gonna hate me after this. I don't know where my fan brushes are, so I'm improvising. Bronzed, blush, and highlighted. I really like this palette. It's very pigmented, and I don't know if this is a bronzer. It looked like it. It looks different because I don't have foundation. I don't think I've ever applied blush, bronzer, or highlighter without foundation. My brows are crying for attention, so let's fill them in. Going to take some Benefit Ka-Brow with a Scone Brow Definer to define the brows. I always feel like my right brow is at a disadvantage because it has my scar. It's trying to cooperate. It's in timeout. We're gonna set the brows with some Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Ugh, tongue twister. Well, left brow came through, so 1 out of 2. We have count them, 2 products left. We have the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I received the shade Bow and Arrow. My box is a little smushed and it's marked out on the barcode, so I guess you can't return it because I know some of you will probably try to take this to Sephora to get that $20 credit. Come on. You pay $20, you get this, and then everything else is free. Ooh, I don't have this shade. I like Kat Von D's liquid lipstick formula a lot. All right, we're gonna just swatch right here. Ooh, okay. It's not a shade I would typically go for. I don't really wear many brown shades. That's about to change. Oh, I'm kind of going out of order because this is mascara. Whatever. I'm not sure how I feel about this shade on me. It's kind of nude. The formula's nice. It's not a drying out your lips matte formula. It's actually really comfortable to wear. It still feels like it's not completely dried down, and even the swatch still looks kind of wet. Maybe the shade will grow on me. I just have to give it a chance. And lastly, we have the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and this retails for $24. I have not tried this mascara, surprisingly. I've tried a lot of IT products, but just not the mascara. This is what the tube looks like. I really like the shape of it. Ooh, okay. And that's the wand. Let's see. It's not clumping, and it's helping like spread them apart. Okay. And it's lengthening them really nicely. I would like to see a little bit more volume, but I see a good difference in my length, and I like how my lashes aren't clumping. I'm actually really liking this. I think with another coat, we would be onto something. I think this mascara would take the no makeup look to a whole new level. Oh, and I just realized that my eyeliner on my lid smudged. That's cool. But this is the finished look. I am very, very impressed with how the makeup products worked. The more I am peeping into my conference monitor, the more I'm liking this lip color a lot. Granted, I didn't go into like the more colorful shades in my palette. I still like the look that I achieved. And I liked how the face products worked out for me. I don't have foundation, so it looks a little scary, but it doesn't look terrible. And this highlighter is beaming. It's lighting up my beauty room right now. I'm living for it. But the bronzer, if that is a bronzer, and the blush are super pigmented, and a little goes a long way. Like, I probably wouldn't be feeling overwhelmed right now if I just didn't dig my brush into the pan as hard as I did. I didn't know how much it was gonna pick up, and I picked up too much. The mascara is very impressive. I love how my eyelashes look. They're very spread apart. They're not clumping to each other. I see more of a difference in the length and volume, but that was only one coat, and that's without eyelash primer. So putting those two together, I can only imagine how my lashes would look then. I'm really pleased how it just looked with the one coat. And then I'm already a huge fan of Briogeo, and I haven't used this product yet, but I've used similar products. I use the It's a 10 a lot, so I wonder how it compares. I'm a huge fan of Briogeo. I love the Despair Don't Repair line. I love the shampoo and the mask, and this is leave-in mask, kind of like a leave-in conditioner, so we will see how this works. Product that is intriguing me the most is this bamboo charcoal peel off lace mask. I hope this works out very well for me. I'm a huge fan of charcoal based skincare, so I have high expectations for its performance. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing and demo. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite product was. Did you get a different product? I think there was a pharmacy product. I was really hoping for that because I have not tried that brand yet, and it's been on my brands I want to try list for some time now, but I am very happy and pleased with what products I got. Essentially, you paid for this and everything else was free. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Boxycharm tutorials and unboxings. I'm hoping to get the Lux in December. Fingers crossed for that. Thank you again for tuning in. Please make sure you're subscribed for future videos, and I will see you then. Jazz hands, waving hands, head bobbing.